Performance Exhaust. So I wouldn't call this an unboxing, but it's kind of a half unboxing because it's already open. But you guys will get a look at it pretty much along with me. So let's take a look at what this motor looks like. I ordered the HMF Performance Blackout series. So there should be all blacked out. Let me get this out of here. Of course I did it the wrong way, but there you are, guys. That's our new exhaust we're going to be getting put on here. So you can see everything's all nice and blacked out on here. It's got a ceramic coat finish, so you shouldn't burn yourself. Like right here, this is all ceramic coating. So even though the exhaust gets hot, this shouldn't get too hot to the touch. And also the same on here. So same right here. So that's why I went with the blackout series. And yeah, I think it'll look pretty good on there. We'll get some sound clips for you with the stock exhaust, and then we'll go out and get some overall clips with the new HMF exhaust to tell the sound difference between the two. Alright guys, so here's a startup with the stock exhaust. Alright, stock exhaust. Great big thing down there. And I'm going to do a couple of donuts. We'll see what it sounds like. Alright guys, take your stock exhaust off. You want to take this bolt out of here by your trunk. It's covered up by your trunk lid. Then go, and there's one right here, bolt right here that you can get to. This is further in. There's another bolt right down here, right here. Take that one out, and then loosen your exhaust clamp right there. Once you get that done, just start wiggling your exhaust up and down, and pulling back, and that'll eventually slide out of there. It's in there pretty tight. Alright, so then once you got everything loosened, just wiggle up and down and pull on this bugger. I got it half loose already. And there's your, that right there is your stock exhaust. This bugger is heavy too. Here's your clamp, goes on the end. So yeah, get rid of that. So let's see what this sounds like. Just straight pipe, no exhaust, no nothing. This is going to be incredibly loud probably. So let's see. Ready, more? Might be a little loud. Alright guys, just got the HMF Performance Series Blackout exhaust put on the Can-Am 2021 Outlander 850 XMR. Kind of a little bit of a pain to put in. So there's a new exhaust clamp. They give you this bracket that mounts there and then behind the heat shield. And then you actually got 3 bolts right there you got to take out and put back in order to get the new bracket to mount up behind there. And to do that, you got to undo these 3 screws on your bumper. So it's a little bit more involved than I thought. Still not bad, but kind of a pain in the butt. But anyways, let's see what it sounds like. Let's get it fired up and check it out, and then I'll do a couple donuts, get some sound tests for you here, fly by and stuff like that. So this will be our first sound test. It sounds nice. Not super loud, not super quiet. Sounds pretty decent. I'll do a couple of donuts and we'll see what it sounds like. You might want to back up a little bit. HMF is freaking awesome. I love it. It's perfect sound. Not too loud, not too quiet. Just sounds awesome. Love it. Amazing.